Hi guys, welcome to ContainsAll. Today we're going to see Feiyutech Vimble 2. So I ordered this from the gearbest.com site and I got it within 10 days. And the delivery is very fast and I got the tracking everything. I'll show you on the screen how I got the delivery and everything. All the tracking you can see on the screen right here. Okay, and now we are going to open this parcel which I received.
Yeah, it's nice.
You like it?
I like it so much.
See, this is a bag and this is how you get the Vimble 2 Feiyutech Vimble 2. So let us open it. So I just open it. So here we have the Vimble 2 from the Feiyutech. So it's super handheld. So this is the gimbal and this is the device which you have. So as you can see, this is how it is, and here they have a USB port for charging. It's a micro USB port, as you can see here. It's a micro USB port, and you have the joystick and you have the function button over here, the joystick and you have the function button over here, and video record button, and you have the zoom button, toggle and vocal button, and you have the function button over here, the main function button over here. So these are the buttons. So USB cable, joystick, and you have this toggle button, and here you have this one. This one, I think this is the charger, I suppose, battery or something like that. Let us check it out. What is this? So this is a small tripod. It's a very small tripod. So you can see this is a small tripod which you get from the, you have the Feiyutech branding over here. You have the Feiyutech branding over here. So this is how it looks. As you can see, this goes here, and for the extended grip. See, it is extending.
Yes.
You can also extend this. So it is very long. We have one more small box. We'll see what's inside. Okay, this is a cable tie, and next here in the zip pouch we have the charging cable, USB to micro USB. They have given some additional cables also. Looks nice. I like this. They've given some additional cables with this for the iPhone. I think maybe to connect it to the phone. So maybe this is for the iPhone, and this is for the USB type C phones, just like the OnePlus 3T, OnePlus C, and some USB type C cables. And you have the micro USB port for old phones. You have the manual. Last but not the least, how to set up Gimbal and everything. These are the contents of the box which you get in the Feiyutech Vimble 2, and now the how to mount the Gimbal on the the phone on the Gimbal. So you can mount it in the vertical position or in the horizontal position. Just balance it. There is a provision given to balance the phone, and just you need to press the function button until it beeps with green color LED. So that's it. And as you can see, I'm operating on the joystick. You can turn it left, right, up and down. So the gimbal is very easy, and the good feature which I like it in this Gimbal 2 is the face tracking feature. If you are giving any tutorial or something like that, you can use this feature. So right now I'm in the, for that you need to use it the VI Cool app. So you need to download. I'll describe in the description. So see, as you can see, when I'm moving, the gimbal itself automatically turning itself tracking my face. So it's a very good feature which I liked it. So currently I'm doing the running and walking test. So the gimbal is very smooth. As for me, it is very good, very budget friendly gimbal, which is best in the market, which has extension pole. And these are some video samples which are shooted with the OnePlus 3T camera. so you can enjoy the slides. That's it guys, hope you like my video and hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family members, and please do comment below if you have any doubts regarding this Vimble, and I am very much ready to answer all your questions in the comment section. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that notification button to get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys, bye bye, and have a great day.